Good day. Today we have a blender. So this blender is a two-pin blender. That means you have your live and your neutral mainly. So I'll be helping everybody run through how to operate this blender. So first thing is to notice our blender has two modes of speed, one speed, two speed, and you have a optional power speed, but it does not stay on that. So that's just to quickly wrap up your blending, or if you just want to finalize your blending, if there's something that's not properly blended, you use that. And then the things to really notice on the blender before you use it, you have a safety pin that you need to align your jug with, because if you do not, the blender will not work, simply because the safety pin has a switch in at the bottom of it that allows for the continuity of electricity. So if your jug is broken, perhaps at the bottom where it's supposed to be touching the pin, your blender will not work. That's one of the most important things you need to notice.
And you need to check if your jug is not leaking for safety purposes. And so we're going to try it out now and see if it works. And most importantly, to avoid overheating of the blender, there's a duration of time that the blender must run. It's actually 1 minute of time if you're running it at max. But if you're putting it at max, it has to be 4 minutes minimum. Do not pass, because it can overheat and it can cause our motor to not work. And the reason why we have water in here, probably wondering, we have water. Water plays an important role in a blender, because, like I've said, overheating and stuff, the water makes it smooth when the blender mixes, everything just runs smooth. So we're gonna try it out for you guys and see how it works. Hopefully we get positive results. So let's try it out.
Okay, as you are connecting your blender, usually there is an arrow on the blender that shows you where your pin should be aligned. So your arrow should align with your safety pin.
In order for it to active.
Yes. So it needs to be aligned this way. Yes. There we go. And then we're gonna plug it in. Just now, if you did notice, we did not let this blender run for even more than 30 seconds. I'm sure this was way less than 30 seconds. And one thing I can pick up is I'm already smelling a few things from the blender, but that is normal because it had been operating, right? So you need to be cautious about how you use your blender, so it can be safe and it can last you a longer time. Thank you.
Thank you.